Air India crash. Now, God bless to all the families and the souls that have departed. But here is the interest. Here is a fact that I want to share. Because I've traveled in Air India and I've traveled both. That is in regular cabin and in the first class. And in my journey from Melbourne to Mumbai, and first it was Melbourne to Delhi, and then there was direct flight that they started. I have found number one is that Air India is more expensive than the other flights. Now, the reason being, and the flights still go full, is because Indians, a lot of Indians whose families come and their parents and elder people, they are very comfortable in talking to the Indian air hostesses or the Indian air crew that way, and they also get Indian food. So that is the first thing that was the eye opener for me. Apart from that, there is nothing, absolutely nothing that I can benefit Air India for. The I went there with my family. So my son, who's like 8 back then, the entertainment wasn't working. Imagine a flight more than 14 hours with no entertainment. The air conditions aren't that good. That is for sure. For the entertainment, I would give credit that they did try it. They, in fact, closed down the whole entertainment system because my entertainment wasn't working, my son's wasn't working, but my wife's was working, and similarly, other here and there. They charge approximately, uh, on an average, $200 to $500 more than what a regular flight would charge you, right? So yes, they are expensive. There's no doubt about it. Now I know there is a lot of discussions on the Boeing flights as well. So honestly, right now I do not know where the problem is. There's a lot of things happening. Everyone is eyeing on it. People have already started to publish many things. But a person who has already traveled in Air India a couple of times, or maybe three times by now, and even in first class, I can definitely tell you that it's not worth the value. All right. The only reason to do so was because I was accompanied by senior citizens, Indian senior citizens, and they felt comfortable having the Indian food. That's it. That's it. Like literally, if we have more Indian air crew, for example, in other airlines, all right, who can speak Hindi mostly, and who can also serve a decent Indian food, a proper Indian food, which I can tell you, which we also got it in some other airlines, by the way. It's just that people aren't aware of it. This would really be a very big issue for Air India because you're charging a lot as well. Come on, you're charging a lot. I'm talking $10,000 for three people in first class. That's a huge amount of money. And similarly, even domestic flights. They're easily, if I travel from Australia to India, I might, if I'm paying $1,000 for a return ticket per person, Air India would easily be more than that. So, yeah, I will look out for what's happening, but I just thought I'll share this because there's a lot of Air India thing going on. And yes, they are supposed to be blamed in one way, but let's see where the problem is because Boeing hasn't been that good either.